world's too big for us to change it on our own. But if each one of us changes what we can, our world, our space, our environment, then we can change the world. All it takes is for you to choose that path, to inspire others to stop and think. Because on your journey, you can already see the change for yourself. And the world will feel it. Now it's your turn. Join the movement.
Hi, and welcome again to the exciting world of MG. Last year we took a pledge to make our world a better place by doing our bit with the launch of MG ZS EV, India's first pure electric internet SUV. The ZS EV is a global electric vehicle available in many countries around the world and has found success in every market. In fact, in the MG's home ground UK, the ZS EV is one of the fastest selling EV and it has been rated with Euro NCAP 5-star rating, making it safest pure electric SUV for our customers. Last year, during the pandemic, MG UK provided 100 ZS EVs to National Health Services to support frontline warrior. Here in India, since launch, we received an overwhelming response in just the first month. Total ZS EVs booked were more than all the EVs sold in 2019. Isn't that interesting? Our existing customers have been consistently pushing limits with the ZS EV. These customers are our real-life ambassadors of driving change on ground. Some have traveled to the foothills of the Himalayas, while others enjoyed the beaches of Puducherry. The benefits of an electric vehicle for the environment and the society are well known. Not only it protects the environment, but also provides a more efficient means of transportation. Affordable, comfortable, reliable, and truly keeping with the times ahead of us. We don't have any hesitation to say that MG has the best EV to offer in our country. From day one, we built and ensured a strong infrastructure foundation, not only for the ZS EV, but also the EV ecosystem at large for our country. We partnered with the biggest and best. And to make sure that you never have to worry about charging and its related anxiety, we invested in building a comprehensive charging ecosystem. Not 1 or 2 or 3, but in 5 ways. So let me talk about that. 1. An onboard charging cable with every vehicle. 2. AC fast chargers installed by MG at free of cost at your office or home for your daily overnight charging needs. 3. DC super fast chargers at select MG dealerships, accessible 24/7. 4. An extended charging network in select satellite locations. And 5. Charge on the go, a roadside assistance with Allianz. With this charging ecosystem, we have been able to build a strong network of 21 fast chargers and 1000 plus AC fast chargers installed at our customers' homes. In addition is the existing public charging infrastructure by the government. You can find all these charging locations on the MG iSmart app or on your ZS EV head unit. So taking our vision forward, MG is the first one to introduce second life battery management and sustainable battery recycling, thus ensuring greater peace of mind to ZS EV owners who care about ecological footprint and supporting sustainable e-mobility future. We have again partnered with top global players such as AM and Umicore to deliver the same. We have also partnered with Tata Power and Fortum to ensure expansion of charging locations across key routes in India. As you know, electric vehicles is an evolving and progressive space. We have been continuously working to extend the ZS EV experience to more and more consumers by making it even more robust and resilient for our country. We have tested the MG ZS EV for over 1 lakh kilometers to ensure that it meets the grueling and technical requirements and all kinds of weather conditions and road conditions of our country, so that we are ready to expand towards more cities in India, building towards a truly made for India experience. Today, I am pleased to showcase to you the MG ZS EV 2021. Keeping in mind the varied weather conditions of our country, hot, humid, cold somewhere, the ZS EV 2021 has a new evolved HT 44.5 kilowatt-hour battery, making its battery performance on road even more robust. The good news is that ZS EV 2021, with its improved HT battery under test conditions, has obtained a certified range of 419 kilometers. We are confident that due to varied driving conditions, the ZS EV 2021 should give a range of 300 to 400 kilometers in most of the situations. We have also received an overwhelming demand for the ZS EV beyond our launch cities. However, as you all are aware, road conditions greatly vary for metro and non-metro cities. So we have taken this as an opportunity to further raise the ground clearance of this car and the battery placement. Also, we have introduced a new feature in the MG iSmart app to tell you about your CO2 savings called the EcoTree Challenge. In the EcoTree Challenge, you will be able to track and view real-time progress of not only your CO2 savings with a car, but also CO2 savings of the top 10 MG ZS EV owners across the country. Our customers can further compare their accomplishments on a leaderboard, earn milestone badges, and keep growing a tree as they progress in their journey with the MG ZS EV. So in a nutshell, the MG ZS EV 2021 comes with an all-new evolved HT battery, new tires, additional ground clearance, and an enhanced experience on the MG iSmart mobile app with the EcoTree Challenge. All these updates just within 1 year of its launch. Obviously, the ZS EV 2021 will continue to offer great features like a sky roof, which is bigger than any panoramic sunroof, internet inside, equipped with iSmart EV 2.0 and Gaana app with premium account, PM 2.5 air filter. It comes with 143 PS power and acceleration is 0 to 100 in just 8.5 seconds. Ownership package of eShield 5555, which means 5 years of unlimited kilometer warranty, 5 labor-free services, 5 years roadside assistance, and 5-way charging infrastructure, and 8 years of battery warranty or 150,000 kilometers. And yes, it's extremely affordable. Running cost is less than ₹1 per kilometer. With so many compelling features and 5-way charging infrastructure, we are working towards making EV as a lifestyle. As part of our continued effort, we are expanding our footprint for the ZS EV 2021. It will be available now in 31 cities across India, and the price of ZS EV 2021 will start at 20.99 lakhs for Excite variant and 24.18 lakhs for exclusive variant. Thank you for joining us and for your continuous support and trust. we are and will be committed towards bringing the best of innovative technologies to our customers. Thank you once again. Let's come together to change what we can and do our bit to save the environment.